You can get rich in 90 days. And in today's video, I'm going to basically explain how literally any of you guys can literally become rich in 90 days. And no, this isn't sort of a get rich quick scheme. This isn't some sort of, random bullshit opportunity. Anyone can literally do this, especially if you're working a 9-to-5 job, right? Now, just a quick one before I continue the video. If you guys aren't familiar with who I am and you're new to this channel, my name is Alim and I quit my 9-to-5 job back in the UK, right? I was working several 9-to-5 jobs. I had enough. I quit my job, packed my bags, and I moved to Dubai. I've been here for the last 2 years, as you can obviously see from the backdrop. I've been here for the last 2 years, and now I run a successful 6-figure online coaching business, which has completely changed my life, given me freedom, allowed me to make so much money and live in the greatest city in the world, right? Now, I'm going to talk about how you guys can literally start one of the best business models out there, by the way, which anyone can do, right? And I'm not talking about a physical business because I don't actually believe in physical businesses. I'm talking about an online business which basically gives you freedom, allows you to live wherever it is that you want, and you can have the best life from that, okay? And I know that because that's what I'm doing right now. Now, before we begin with that, right, we need to first tackle and make you understand how money works, because for you to make a lot of money, you can't make a lot of money without understanding how money works in general. Now, a lot of you guys associate time with money, right? And to be fair, you kind of taught that with your 9-to-5 job. The more hours you work, the more money you'll make, right? And even to that level, if you get a promotion, you only get a certain amount of money extra a month, and it's not a lot, right? For example, you could be making maybe about 5 grand a month at the most, maybe 6 grand, depending on position you're working. You can't make even more than that, right? Unless you're on a different position or you've got a different type of 9-to-5 job. Ultimately, for most people, you're probably earning around 3 grand, maybe 4 grand a month, okay? So to you guys, earning 2, 3 or 4 grand a month, you associate time with money. And the reason why this is a very bad thing is because when you associate time with money, for you to make 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K, you would have to work a certain amount of hours, which is basically not possible, right? And because of that thinking, because you think, oh, if I put in this much time, this is how much money I'm going to make, what tends to happen is you don't believe it. So, for example, if someone was to say to you they make 10K a month, you're going to be extremely skeptical, because you're like, okay, cool, I work this many hours, I work hard every day, but I only go home with 3-4 grand, but this person makes 10 grand a month. Surely something's not right. Surely that's strange. Surely that's not real, or that's not possible. And what tends to happen when you do this is you block out opportunities. You block out things that can actually genuinely change your life. But because you don't believe it's possible, because you think to make more money you need to add more time, you don't believe it's possible, right? And I have seen this myself for a lot of people. This blocks out so many opportunities. And to be fair, I think this is one of the reasons, kind of without realizing, subconsciously, a lot of you guys who are maybe watching videos like this or watching other young people make money online, you don't believe it to be true, because you're like, oh, I'm working the job, I'm doing what I need to do. Maybe they're doing something that's not right, or maybe they're lying, or whatever the case is, right? So I've seen this for myself, and this is why a lot of 9-to-5ers don't believe that making money online is true, or don't believe making a considerable amount of money can be done within 90 days, right? But I'm telling you from personal experience, from someone that's done it, and from someone that's helped some of my clients, it is 100% possible, okay? Now, you do not need to invest more time to make more money. Let's put that straight. Because I'll give you guys an example, right? A lot of you guys have to spend, 40 hours a week to, let's say, make 2 grand a month, right? Guys, I could make 2 grand right now by sending out 1 email, 1 text message, or just making 1 piece of content. And that might sound crazy to a lot of you guys, right? But it is the reality, it's the truth, okay? And for you guys, you're thinking, okay, well, I have to work 40 hours a week to make 2 grand. How is he making that from 1 email, 1 text message, or even 1 piece of content? And it's very simple. And I'm going to break it down later on in the video so you can know exactly what I'm talking about. But I want you to firstly understand, it's not the time that you spend that's going to make more money. Essentially, it's the action that you take that's going to make more money, right? So obviously for you guys, if you want to make more money, what do? You do overtime, right? Because that's what you could do in your 9-to-5 job. It's the only thing you can do. And overtime, again, requires your time, and it makes you more money, right? Sometimes you get double the money, whatever the case is. Whereas in business, in entrepreneurship, if you want to make more money, you've just got to take more actions, right? Because in a 9-to-5 job, no matter how hard you work, you will only make 2, 3, 4 grand, whatever it is that you're making a month. But in business, how much effort you put will correlate to how much money you make, right? Now, this is what I do currently. I have an online coaching business, right? So I work with people. I help them build businesses, online businesses, using the One Skill Consulting business model, which is one of the best business models out there because it allows you to sell your skill to high ticket clients, right? So you can make upwards of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 grand a month just by signing 1 or 2 clients. Very, very simple, right? Now, just before I continue the video, if you do need any help with this, click the link that you see in your description where it says work with me. Once you click on that link, you'll see a VSL, which is like a video sales letter, talking about who I am, who I help, and what I actually do. You can watch that for more information. After that, you can book in a call with me directly, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how you can start this business model and show you exactly how I can scale you to 10K a month, right? Now, I want to talk about this business model a little bit more detail because a lot of you guys feel like in your 9-to-5 job, you don't have freedom. A lot of you guys feel like in your 9-to-5 job, you don't like answering to your boss. You might not even like your boss. In fact, I would argue pretty much everyone hates their boss, right? And I was the same. When I was working my 9-to-5 job in the UK, I didn't like my boss. I hated the higher ups because they just felt like they had too much power. Life's changed for me now, right? I have freedom. I make money than all of them combined probably. And life is very different for me now. But the point is, you guys feel stuck in your job. You don't have freedom. You can't do what you want to do. You can't travel when you want to travel. You can't live the life that you should be living, right? Now, if I give you an insight to my day, guys, I wake up and do whatever it is that I want. And I know that sounds crazy, but it's the truth, right? I can literally wake up tomorrow and decide I want to go to Marina, or I want to go to the Dubai Mall, or I want to go to the beach, right? And all I need is my laptop, because my laptop will allow me to work. I can work in any setting. I can go to a nice fancy hotel, go to a nice coffee shop, whatever, right? I can do whatever it is I want. My point is, I can do what I want, go where I want, and live the life that I want. I could travel tomorrow to the UK, I can travel to Saudi Arabia, I can travel to Qatar, I can travel to the US, wherever it is I want to go. I have that freedom because I make money online, right? For a lot of you guys, you need to ask your boss for leave, you need to ask for holiday, you need to wait till it gets approved, you need to save up money. You know what I'm trying to say, right? But it's not like that for me. Life is very different for me. Now, what I want to try and explain to you guys is that you want to make money, and if you want to get rich in 90 days, here's how you do it, okay? Firstly, you need to identify a skill that you're good at. Now, I don't want to hear this notion that you don't have a skill, because a lot of people have said this to me as well, and it's all bullshit, and I'll explain why. Unless you've been living under a rock for your whole life, right, you have a skill, okay? Now, it might not be a skill you kind of identify straight away. Sometimes it takes time, right? Which is why I always tell people, write down some of your skills, look at your skills and see what you can use and how you can position it, right? So write down like 10 skills, and what you do is just pick one skill, find a way to position it. Now, I'll give you guys some examples, right? There's a woman teaching people how to knit. She makes just under 20 grand a month. She sells her knitting program for $1,000 a month, right? And she's got about 20 clients, so that's how she makes 20 grand a month. There's another person teaching people how to stop drinking alcohol. He has 10 clients and he charges 8K a month, right? And I've got some of my clients as well, for example, one of them teaching people how to start a marketing agency, another person teaching people how to lose weight. I've got another person in the property niche, and I've got another client who's 16 years old, by the way, and I've taught him how to start this business model. And literally within a few weeks of him implementing everything that I've taught him, he signed his first client, right, for 2 grand. And he initially got a payment of $150 and another payment of $500 as well for a 2K program, right? So essentially he made 2K on a payment plan. Now guys, for you to make 2K, you need to work 40 hours a week. Every week you need to go to work, you need to say hi to your boss, you need to do what he's told you to do, and you can only leave when he tells you to leave, and you have to do that for a whole month to make 2, 3, 4 grand. Guys, at 16 years of age, just by applying the methods I've taught him, he's managed to get a client within a few weeks for 2K at 16 years of age. I even said to him, right, you've made more money than me when I was 16, and you made probably like double what I made whilst I was working at Argos, right, at the time. So it's crazy. It just shows that anyone can do it, right? And if he can do it at 16, any of you guys can do it, right? He's making more money at 16 than people twice his age, which is crazy. So it just shows that anyone can do this business model, and you just need to know how to do it. And he teaches people how to start a faceless YouTube channel. That's another niche that you guys can obviously do. But it depends on what you're good at, right? It depends on what you're good at. So find a skill that you're good at. All you then need to do is position it, right? So you need to find out, okay, cool, who am I teaching? What's my pricing? What's my deliverables, right? Very, very easy to do. And again, this is something I help with in my program. So if you are interested, by the way, you want to learn this in depth and work with someone who's actually going to help you directly on a one-to-one basis using the One Skill Consulting business model that I've just mentioned, click the link in the description where it says work with me. Once you click that link, it will take you to a website. It will show you a video about what I do and who I can help. Then you just click the link below that, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you make 10K a month with this business model, okay? Now, once you've picked your skill, once you've positioned it, what you then need to do is start creating content, okay? Now, content is very, very key. Content is extremely important. This is one step that, to be fair, you can't skip. Now, you need to start building your personal brand for your niche, right? So, okay, whatever niche you've picked, let's say you want to help people lose weight, as an example, right? All you do is pick up a camera, start filming YouTube videos, and start talking about your niche, start attracting your ICP. So what you do is basically create videos about the problems in your niche, record them, upload them to YouTube, send the traffic from YouTube to a landing page, get those people to book in a call with you, and then just sign them on a call, right? Very, very simple business model that literally anyone could do, right? And if you follow this correctly, guys, you can make a lot of money, right? For example, let's say you charge 3 grand, right? You get 3 clients a month, you make 9 grand a month, right? Now tell me, does that sound unrealistic? Does that sound like it's not possible? Because 3 clients at 3 grand a month, that's 9 grand a month, very, very simply. And also don't think people won't pay you, by the way, because this is another concern people have. Oh, people aren't gonna pay me 3 grand a month, or I'm not that good at that skill. How are people gonna pay me 3 grand a month? Trust me, guys, you do not need to be an expert. That's number one, right? You can be a 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 10 at a skill. You can just teach people lower end. For example, beginners who are 0 out of 10, or 1 out of 10, or 2 out of 10, right? You can teach these people. And to be fair, you not being an expert actually helps you even more, because you can literally level with them a little bit more, right? It's kind of why a lot of people work with me, because I used to work a 9-to-5 job literally 2 years ago. And I guess you can say I'm kind of fresh into making money online, having freedom. So I've been on both sides quite recently. And people work with me because it's that little transition period where I was where they were and I am now where they want to be, right? So I'm that kind of bridge. This is why people work with me, and I've got some fantastic results, which you can check out on my link, which is the Work With Me link. If you click on that, you'll see a lot of my testimonials there as well. But yeah, ultimately, guys, if you start the One Skill Consulting business model correctly, right, you can seriously make a lot of money. Honestly, you can make so much money. And this is why I wanted to show you guys that time and money are not linked, right? It's all about action. You can work all the hours you want and come home with 3 grand a month, or you can just take certain actions which will make you 10K a month. Now you tell me what's better, right? It's very, very simple. So again, if you guys do want any help, click the link in the description below where it says work with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, if you want me to go more in depth on the business model, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.